How's it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Today let's check out 5 amazing unique applications for the month of July. As always, all these applications are really unique and they are super useful as well. So make sure you guys watch this video till the very end. Also, let's aim for 1500 likes on this video. I know you guys will do it. So drop a like and let's get started. Alright guys, first up we have wallpaper app for this month, which is AMOLED 4K wallpapers. It's a fresh wallpaper app which brings you the premium collection of dark black AMOLED wallpapers which looks great on AMOLED devices. Well, if you are looking for some fresh beautiful OLED walls, then this app has a great variety to choose from. Guys, every single wallpaper that you see in this app are of high resolution, and you also get some premium collection of 4K wallpapers as well. Apart from this, I really like the UI of this app. It is super clean, where you get more than 18 different categories of wallpapers that you can choose from. All in all, it's a great wallpaper app, and if you really want to try out some fresh walls for your device, then definitely try this one out. Next up, we have got an application called Drives, which is basically a kind of storage analyzer that displays information about your device storage in a very simple and clear graphical form. Essentially, this app gives you several different graphs of your storage usage, and you can also check what are the exact files that are taking up more storage. You even have this really handy button to clear the app cache that helps you to free up your device storage. You can swipe down and see different applications as well as the different files which is taking most of your storage. Overall, it's a really cool way to understand how your device storage is right now. Guys, if your device is running out of space, then I will highly recommend you to try out this one. Alright guys, next up we have Mi Control Center. Well, one thing that I really like about MIUI 12 is the control center. It looks gorgeous, and finally we can have it on any Android device. Guys, if I swipe down from the right, I will have the control center where I can adjust the brightness, turn on the torchlight, and basically you get all the quick toggles in the control center itself. By swiping down from the left, it will open the notification panel as well. To get this on your device, all you have to do is just download the Mi Control Center and then allow some basic permission which is required. Once you have done all this, now you will have this beautiful control center. You can also customize it by changing the color, entire layout and more. Moving on, we have one of my favorite application, which is lock screen widget. Well, we all love to customize our home screen by changing its look. But what about the lock screen? This particular app helps you to change the entire look of your lock screen by using widgets. Basically, it allows you to add different widgets in your lock screen. If you just tap on the widget with 2 fingers, then you get the option to add different widgets. You can also resize it and even place it wherever you want. One thing that I really like about this app is it lets you add any widgets, like you can add the calendar widget, music widget, and even you can add some cool KWGT widgets as well. So if you really want to try something cool and want to customize your lock screen, then it's a must-have app for you. Finally, we have floating notes. Well, there are tons of notes-taking app available in the Play Store, but this one is super handy. What it does is, it basically helps you to create sticky notes that keep visible while using any apps in your device. All you have to do is just write down whatever you need to remind, and then you can have it anytime on the edges of your screen. You can also customize all your notes by changing its color, icons, and you can also adjust the transparency level as well. Guys, I have already used so many different note-taking apps, but to be very honest, I find this one to be super productive. Definitely try it out. So that's pretty much it guys. These are 5 amazing applications for the month of July. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android, and I will see you guys in the next one.